So here's my wee jump start machine. There's my voltmeter. I'm going to leave the car to defrost. So that lovely frost. The sticker stayed on. Look at the wee linnet ketchup. Need to worry about the water in the carpet now. It's completely frozen. Yep. So this is the ignition wire, so this is going to have to go round alive, which would be this. I don't want to put it around there like that. Maybe unrelated, when I disconnected the control box, I've lost use of the starter button, so I'm having to start it with a screwdriver. I don't have enough volts, it's only sitting at 11 volts. So this is a new battery. I'm going to take it down to Halfords and see if we'll honour the warranty on it. We'll see where it goes through there. But I'll just buy a new battery, because I'm not messing about any longer. My wee start machine didn't work, that was a waste of 30 quid. So battery's out it. I can actually take it back to the house and charge it. I've got a wee charger there. It's not been a total waste of time, but kind of a waste of a time, you know. I found out the ignition switch is working, which I suppose is something. I'm going to lock up the car just in case. Lovely looking car, bought well, but electrics needs going through. I'm not really the guy to do electrics as well, which is ironic. The guy must have just been putting batteries on it. So, down to Halfords. Like this boot, it's on a spring. That's pure luxury, that, innit? Get it. And that's me, I'm kind of done here. So I'm off to Halfords yet again. I'll just get this locked. It's a funny wee key, luckily it's different from everything else. It's really hard to work out where the keys go in this thing. Right, that's that. That's that. And this has got the go handle that they talk about. Yeah, the go handle. Oh, fucking poor bike. If they're wanting 100 million quid, they'll not get it. I'll just charge it in the house and come back to it on Monday. Alright. Turns out the battery's got a dead cell, so no wonder it wouldn't charge on that old dynamo. You're an uphill battle with that, with a Duff battery. So here we go, new battery. It's quite reasonable. It was only 70 quid, so I've paid 120 quid for a Merc battery once, which is pretty similar to that one. It's a 680 as well, so there's plenty of cranking power. It's a wee light engine, it's only a wee 2.5 litre engine, so it actually doesn't draw a lot. Ironically, I've got a battery very similar to that in the Allegro. So, I mean, it'll do a trick anyway. I'll get the motor on the road and then I can at least see if it's charging with this new dynamometer. String this all together Remember, like and subscribe, Mr H Classic Cars. Too fast. There we are, there's some ratchet action on the battery. New battery, 70 quid half rods. What's the canny move with this clamp one? Actually quite a simple design, I'm actually quite impressed with that, it's actually not bad. Good bit of engineering in these things. Yeah. Well, that's it running. So let me start it across the. I need to get another switch in. Another loser switch in, or whatever you want to call it. I'm reading a meter. Check to see if it's charging. Could actually disconnect it and see if it cuts out. Okay, it's not charging. For some reason that starter switch doesn't want to work. Well, it's still no charging. I can hear the relay clicking. The light's not coming on with the ignition feed. I took an ignition feed for the fuse box through the relay, so I don't really understand. I'll need to try and maybe I'll try it with a live feed to the battery and see if that makes a light go on. I'll do that on Monday, yep. And I think I need a bigger bulb. I don't think the bulb's enough to excite it. It has to be like a 3 watt to excite it. Although normal alternators will go with a side repeater bulb, so I've ordered side repeater bulbs, so that's the way forward for Monday. Yeah, took a run in the shops, got the cat's chicken, went locally. I'm just trying to work out where I'm going with this Daimler. I've got charging bulbs coming, which are wing repeaters, and I'll wire up the relay again using that, and I'm thinking about firing up the ignition side it straight onto the battery in case it's back feeding somehow through the wiper motor, because I noticed the wiper motor isn't working anymore. So to be continued on Tuesday. I'm not doing it on Monday, I'll do it on Tuesday. Hold up, it's bloody freezing. Yeah, I'm hoping to sell these next year. So I'll get 1,000 subscribers. Ordered up a few of them just to try them out, they're actually alright.